Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can integrate HubSpot with WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my HubSpot dashboard, and to integrate it with WordPress, you can do it in a couple of different ways. Now, the first main way we're going to be showing, going over, is by going to data management and then going into integrations. Here, you can visit the app marketplace and see any connected apps which you might like. Now, if we visit it, we'll see that the WordPress or HubSpot for WordPress app is near the top from relevance. So let's just click on it. Now, as you can see, you can just install this app. I'm not sure if it's paid for or not, so I can't really give you that information right now. I'm pretty sure it is free. So just click on install app. And once you click on install, as you can see, you can download the HubSpot app for WordPress from over here. So just click download, and just a couple of seconds, or rather, I think I first need to log in. So let me log into my account. Not sure exactly why I'm not logged in, but it is what it is. But let me just try again. And for some reason, it's still not allowing me to log in. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds. All right, so here I am on the WordPress plugins tab. I just switched over to WordPress, and now as you can see, you do need to have the business plan, so it is not exactly free, but let's click upgrade and activate. As you can see, you can upgrade this if you want and then activate the plugin, but after activating that, that's pretty much it, and your two services will be activated. Now you can go through all of the options and tools you have here, but that is pretty much the gist of it and all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.